Deck frames are rotting out before hardwood decking and composite decking has even reached its half-life.
This is 13 years later. Look at this. You can just peel it away.
Rot out in only 13 years.
Totally rotten post.
So why is this happening? So understand it, we've got to rewind about 20 years. If you've ever heard somebody say that pressure-treated lumber just doesn't last like it used to, they're absolutely right. Back in 2004, the EPA phased out CCA pressure-treated lumber. CCA was chromated copper arsenate amid concerns of arsenic poisoning. Between 2004 and 2006, the industry scrambled for a solution. At first, it was ACQ. ACQ was scalable. The problem was it was very corrosive on fasteners, it was expensive, and it had kind of a green tint to it. Between 2006 and 2008, the market was still scrambling. It was between ACQ and now CA, copper Azole, and then MCA finally was introduced, a micronized copper Azole. But in these years between 2006 and 2008, both the providers and the retailers were bouncing around these different products. By 2010, retailers and producers were pretty much all on board with MCA. It was easy to work with, not as harsh on fasteners, cost effective, and it didn't have that green tint that the ACQ had. So starting from about 2010 until now, MCA is by far the most widely available pressure-treated lumber on the market. The AWPA sets the standards for pressure-treated lumber. That's the American Wood Products Association. And we've got a few things to break down here. We've got terms like above ground and ground contact. We've got codes like UC4A and UC4B. And then most importantly, we've got the retention levels. That means how much wood preservative is in the wood itself. So for above ground pressure-treated wood products, that is the stuff that they use for decking and railing and stuff like that that's not touching the ground and has good ventilation. That's the retention level of 0.06. They quantify that in pounds per cubic foot. So that's 0.06 pounds of MCA per cubic foot of material. For the ground contact stuff, you're almost always looking at a 0.15 PCF. So that's what they're using for pressure-treated deck frames now. And that's what they've been using now since about 2010, is 0.15 PCF of MCA, micronized copper Azole. But then you get into a little bit of a lesser known category. You'll see it called ground contact heavy duty. I've seen it also referred to as critical structure. This material has a 0.23 PCF of MCA. So it has 50% more than the standard ground contact for general use that you'll find at your box stores and nearly all lumber yards. So next time you're at a box store, walk over to the lumber section. You'll find two different types of tags. You'll find the above ground, which somewhere on it on the front or back, it says 0.06 PCF. And you'll find other tags that say ground contact. And you'll also notice those will always say 0.15 PCF. And to be absolutely clear, it's this preservative, the MCA, that's making the pine last for any period of time at all. Pine doesn't do well in weather conditions without pressure treatment. So it's very important to note these different treatment levels, which is where heritage framing comes in. Heritage deck framing not only is a #1 grade, which means it's stronger, it has fewer imperfections, so you can span longer distances, but most importantly, it's got that higher level of MCA treatment. It's treated to a minimum of 0.23 PCF of MCA, which is not what you find at box stores, and it's not even what you find at lumber yards. Here is our tag. It says heavy duty, and it says, if you look closely, 0.23 MCA. That's because ours has 50% more than any other pressure-treated product. So if you're looking at replacing your deck, and using one of these premium decking options like composite or PVC or one of our hardwoods, and you want your frame to last even half as long as the decking materials, conventional framing lumber won't get you there. Use heritage deck framing. It only costs 30 or 40% more than conventional framing lumber, and that's a fraction of the overall cost of the project. If you have questions, give us a call. We're happy to help. Heritage Deck Framing is only at BW Depot.